Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit send messages on WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now send a message. Now if you want to edit this message, then long press on it. Click on three dots, press on edit. From here, you can edit your message and click on this sign option. That's it. So this is how to edit send messages on WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.